never been used. Something to punch it with, right? Hammer, rock, anything, right? Okay. You go here. Okay.
Stand up in your hand.
So all we're gonna punch the cork in.
So 4 days later, we're back in Brandon, Manitoba.
All the way in?
Yep. Okay. Cork is in. Take your shoulders. Need a knot at the end. I'll make this one a little bigger.
Let the dog lick the rope.
No.
None for you, no big.
Yeah. So anyway, we're back in Brandon 4 days later, and my buddy was dating a woman. You've never said that. That's my job in Brandon, Manitoba.
Shoelace, knot.
And my buddy said,
Inside.
I said, you just bought it.
I might need something a little longer, but
Stick?
yeah. Just give me something with just a little more length on it.
Give me 400 if I get beyond 40.
Something the dog hasn't chewed?
Plastic knife.
Yeah, I'll grab one.
We're taking a cork in with a string and a knot.
Okay. Oh, will be.
Oh, is this one of the games?
No.
This is one of the games. I don't think it is, but
Is there a plastic knife there? No.
Karen's
Oh,
got one.
okay.
We're just building
so we're
suspense.
just on hold right now.
Still
So
suspend.
how's everybody doing?
Good.
Yay!
It's like Bill Nye, the science
They're
guy.
poured into the glass and then
Oh, here she comes.
You want a little oaky flavor? You want a little oaky flavor with your wine?
Sure, why not?
I was like, Karen was just bringing something.
Okay,
This might
plastic
do.
knife.
They don't have bottle openers. So everyone's like, what are we going to do? We got 40 guests, 20 bottles of wine, and no opener.
yeah, so the cork is trying to come up. It's naturally buoyant, so you get the knot underneath it.
Right.
Yeah.
After renovating their house, and they had a nice Epstein hammer, and he had some 3.5 inch wood screws. So I said, oh, problem solved.
Okay.
3.5 inch wood screw, 2 inches into the cork.
Sorry, the cork is just a little turned.
I went around there, we just used the bottle. Wood screw with a wood screw and an S-wing hammer. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
What is this? Wine cork.
Oh! Get a tighter knot, I guess. But it was so close. That was so cute. You could see it coming, right? You could see it coming, right?
Or you can just push the cork right into the bottle.
Yeah, but then you got to drink cork.
Yeah, that's true.
It goes nowhere.
And when you're doing this, you can lick your fingers, unless you're me.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Trying to get a wine cork out.
Here it comes.
Oh,
Here
Wendy!
it comes.
It's coming!
You gotta really be strong by the looks of it.
It's coming!
Do it again.
Well done.
What did you do? I can show you, Jim. I don't.
Wait, can I see the